Title of the unit is Unit 1, Introduction to Plant Tissue Culture. Module name is Basic Requirements in PTC Laboratory, that is Plant Tissue Culture Laboratory. Module number is 04. The outline of this module is Introduction to Plant Tissue Culture Laboratory and the types of instruments required in Plant Tissue Culture Laboratory. The learning outcomes of this module will cite the basic equipments which are required in the plant tissue culture laboratory in the different rooms, and it will also explain the importance of various equipments. So let's begin. As discussed in the previous module, we all know that plant tissue culture is a method of growing various numbers or large number of isolated cells or tissues under sterile and controlled condition to regenerate an entire plant. Why do we do this plant tissue culture technique, which is in vitro? To get plants which are disease eliminated, which are virus eliminated, to have some hybrid quality, or to have some secondary metabolites which are used for the production of many medicines. As discussed before, plant tissue culture laboratory includes the following rooms: the washing room, the media preparation room, the transfer room, and the culture room. So let's go in detail with the equipments which are used. The list of equipments required in plant tissue culture laboratory room wise are: the washing room will have the hot air oven, the water distillation unit. Media preparation room will have the autoclave, the pH meter, the weighing balance, the microscope. Transfer room will have the laminar airflow, and the culture room will have the rotatory shaker and the culture racks. So let's go in detail with each instruments. Hot air oven. This is used for drying of glassware. The drying of glassware takes place at 150 to 200 degrees Celsius at 1 hour. Prior to keep the glassware for drying, we need to see that the glasswares are washed properly. For washing of the glasswares are soaked in the soap detergent overnight, and then the next day they are washed thoroughly with tap water, and then they are rinsed with distilled water, and then they are kept in the hot air oven. This hot air oven has trays which are made of various sizes to put the glasswares. Next we have the water distillation unit. This unit is used to give us distilled water which is required for media preparation. As you all can see, there are two outlets for this unit. One outlet is directly connected to the tap water, and one outlet is kept in the storage vessel in which the condensed water is collected, and then this water is stored in the media preparation room. This distilled water is used for media preparation and even used to wash glasswares. Next we have the autoclave. This is one of the most important equipment which is used. This is used for sterilization of media and glasswares. The autoclave works on the similar principle as a pressure cooker. The steam or the moist heat which is generated inside this equipment helps to kill all the microbes, thus giving us a proper sterilization process. These glasswares are further used to prepare media and for other transfer work. This works at a temperature at 121 degrees Celsius, as a pressure at 15 psi, which is continuously kept at 10 to 20 minutes. Next is the pH meter, which is used to check the pH of the culture media. As we all know that if the pH is not checked of the culture media, it will hamper the growth of the plant cell. This pH meter has an electrode which is connected to it. This electrode is dipped in the neutron media to check the hydrogen ions present in the medium. Before putting the electrode in your medium, one should take care that this electrode is thoroughly washed with distilled water. To make the pH acidic, we need to add 1 normal hydrochloric acid, and to make it basic, we need to add 1 normal NaOH. Next is the weighing balance, which is used for weighing chemicals required for preparation of medium. We have 3 types of weighing balance. One is the pen balance, one is the chemical balance, and one analytical balance. Pen balance is used to weigh chemicals of higher quantity. Chemical balance is used to weigh quantity less than 0.01 grams, and analytical balance is used to weigh very minute quantity. Next is a microscope. This is used to observe cells in suspension culture. There are various microscopes which are used: simple, compound, inverted, electronic, etc. These are used to see something which cannot be seen under naked eye. Next we have the Lamina Airflow cabinet, which is also known as LAF. This is used as a working table for aseptic transfer of explant. This is kept in the transfer room. This equipment has HEPA filters attached to it. Those are high efficiency particulate air filters which will supply filter air. This instrument will also have UV light connected to it. It will have normal light also and a air blower. This equipment also gives us provision to connect to the electricity and to connect gas. If not gas, this gas burners can be used. The working table is made of stainless steel. Prior to the work done, the working table should be sterilized with 70% ethanol. After that, 15 to 20 minutes of UV light is kept for sterilization. Next is a rotatory shaker, which is used for culturing single cell in suspension culture. This is kept in the culture room. Next, we have the culture racks. These are used to incubate cultures in culture bottles and culture tubes in culture room. These racks are made of stainless steel, and each rack has a tube light which is connected to it. The tube light is connected with an auto timer to give the photo period of 8 hours of darkness and 8 hours of light. Prior to keeping the culture tubes on the culture racks, one should see that the racks are sterilized with 70% alcohol. Additional requirements are like refrigerator, which is used to store chemicals like micronutrients, vitamins, etc. The air conditioner, which is used to maintain the temperature. A photo timer, which is used to give photo period to the cell cultures. A thermometer, which is used to measure the temperature. Different glasswares like the measuring cylinder, conical flask, reagent bottle, culture bottle, beakers, petri plates, test tubes, etc. And various instruments like the scissor, scalpel, forceps, blade, cork borer, and spatula is used. While using this glasswares or instrument, one should take care that this instrument and glasswares are sterilized. Additional requirements are we use a cotton plug which is used to cover the mouth of the culture vessel in which the media is used for sterilization, and we even make use of an aluminum foil which is used to wrap the instruments when they are kept for autoclaving. Let's summarize this module. Lamina Airflow is the most suitable, convenient and reliable instrument for aseptic work in plant tissue culture. Plant tissues are grown in wide neck conical flasks, culture tubes or screw capped universal bottles. Before carrying out any experiment, one should see that the instruments are calibrated and glasswares are washed and sterilized. These are some references. Thank you so much.